Good morning. Let us start today's lecture. This is the question which is asked in previous year, but I modified the question. I will explain that question also, then this question. If E1, E2 are two eccentrics of ellipse x square by 18 plus y square by 4 equal to 1 and ellipse 2 x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1, find the value of k if E1, E2, eccentricity 1 and eccentricity 2 lies on this ellipse. What is the value of k? That is they asked. So how to solve these such kind of questions here? First of all, find the equation of the ellipse you can find out. So what is here? X square by 18 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 you have. So I can write as a square is equal to 18, b square is equal to 4, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here is a greater than b, right? Here is what here? A greater than b. The eccentricity formula is what? Eccentricity 1 is equal to under root of 1 minus smaller by bigger, b square by a square. So what I get here, this is equal to eccentricity 1 is equal to under root of 1 minus b square is how much? 4 divided by 18. So what I am going to get this answer? Under root of 18 minus 4, 14. 14 by 18 square root you get. You can cancel inside. 2 7s are 2 9s are. Then I get this answer is root 7 by 3. This is what? Eccentricity 1. We could do for the second also. These are asked in JEE. Okay. Looks like easy, but they asked in JEE. Okay. Ellipse 1 and this E difference is there, right? E2 is what here? X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Here in this case, a square is equal to how much? 9. B square is equal to how much? 4. A greater than B. So again the formula is same. So what is the formula? Eccentricity 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So that means under root of 9 minus 4, 5 by 9. Root 5 by 9 value will be how much? Root 5 by 3. So I got eccentricity 1 as well as eccentricity 2. Now he is saying that this E1 and E2 are lying on this ellipse. Then you have to find the value of k. So 15 into x place I can write, E1 can be replaced here, E2 can be replaced here. So here I get how much here? Root 7 by 3 whole square, that is 7 by 9, 7 by 9, plus here 3 into, this I can write root 5 by 3 whole square, that is 5 by 9 is equal to k. So what I get here, 3 1s are 3 3s gets cancelled, 3 3s are 3 5s gets cancelled, 7 5s are 35 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to k. So 40 by k. So k is equal to how much you get here? 40 by 3. So this is the answer. This type of questions asked. Actually in JEE they asked a question that they asked like this. This is 2020 question. They asked here with minus. When it is minus, it is a hyperbola. And they asked the same question. So how to solve for hyperbola? Hyperbola is the next topic ours. I'll give the formula for that. I'll explain. Okay, so if this is ellipse. This is what? Ellipse. You have na x square. See how you can say it is ellipse? Plus symbol is there. Okay, x square plus y square, if you divide by 15, k divided by k on both sides. So k by 15 you get here. K by 3 is equal to 1 form. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 form. So it is ellipse. So in this case how to solve? So in this case eccentricity 1 is correct. This is right. But eccentricity 2, but if it is minus, it is a hyperbola, then the formula will be differs. So what is that formula? I will tell you. Please note down this first. So this is a JEE question. According to this question, listen here. If ellipse 1, eccentricity 1, eccentricity 2, eccentricity 1 is the ellipse 1, eccentricity 2 is the hyperbola 1. So hyperbola, this is hyperbola equation, minus is there. Then the formula from here is eccentricity 2 is equal to under root of 1 plus b square by a square. You will understand next week, I will explain. Monday I will finish this chapter. Ellipse will be complete by Saturday or Monday. Then hyperbola 3 days chapter. Okay. So under root of, I will get as 1 plus b square will be 4. B square will be 4. And a square will be 9. So how much I get here? E is equal to under root of 15 by 9. Right? 13 by 9. 13 by 9. So this value I am going to get root 13 by 3. Now these values I will substitute here. So 15 into x square root 7 by 3 whole square plus 3 into root 13 by 3 whole square equal to k. This is JEE 2019 question. 2019 question. So what I get here? 15 into 7 by 9 plus 3 into 13 by 9 is equal to k. So 3 3s are 3 5s are 3 3s are 3 cancel. So what I am getting here? 35 by 3 plus 13 by 3 is equal to k. How much I am getting? 48 by 3. So k value will be 48 by 3. This is your answer. This is JEE 2019 question. Okay, note down. So here this will be cancelled 16 times. K is equal to 16 is the right answer. Right? See the next question here. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse with the center 2 comma minus 3, focus 3 comma minus 3 and vertex is 4 comma minus 3. Let us see here. Let us go for first of all a ellipse diagram. So in that what is they given? Center they given. See actually if you go for the standard ellipse, for standard ellipse center is origin. For standard ellipse, who is the center? Origin is the center. But it is not a standard ellipse. He is saying that the center is 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma what? Minus 3. Center is given. The center is 2 comma minus 3. And the vertex is this corner. Vertex is given 4 comma minus 3. Okay. Vertex is given 4 comma minus 3. It is not x-axis y-axis. Don't consider this is x-axis y-axis. It is like, it is there in the quadrant, somewhere in the quadrant, in the middle of anywhere in the quadrant, not at the center. This center is 2 comma minus 3, not at the origin I want to say. Okay, to try to understand just I am drawing this picture. Okay, then he is saying that focus is, what is the focus they given? Focus is 3 comma minus 3, right? So all you know, this is the center, this is the that one and this is the focus. Focus you can take S or you can take F. Somewhere you can take F, yes, no problem. See here, the distance of CA is the major axis. The distance of CA will be what? Major axis. So CA distance will be how much? CA is equal to distance formula if I apply under root of distance formula if I apply. This is x1 y1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 3 minus of minus 3 whole square. Are you getting here? Are distance formula, coordinate geometry, distance formula, 10th class, 11th class. This is the CA distance. CA distance will be 2A. 2A units, na? Major axis. What is the length of major axis? 2A. Length of major axis is how much? 2a. So I can use the distance formula here, 4 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 of minus plus minus 3 whole square. So what I am going to get, this is 2a, correct? It means this length is how much here? Under root of 4 minus 2, that is 2 square. And minus into minus plus 0. So 2 square is equal to, I got 2a. Square root of 2 square is how much? 2. So a is equal to how much? 1. है ना? A is equal to how much? 1. So very less. A is 1. Okay. Is that? A is 1 we got. 1 second. See here to here distance is a. This is a comma 0, right? So not 2a. This is a. So a. So a is equal to 2, right? Major axis means here to here, right? So here to here is a. So a length you got 2. Are you getting it? Yes. A length आया क्या? Here to here is a length. So distance formula applied. And what is the CS length? Here to here. You know, here to here is a. And what is here to here? CS distance is how much? CS distance is a ना? Focus. Focus क्या होता है? AE होता है. AE. So CS distance formula is a under root of what is that? x2 minus x1. 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3. Again you get 0 only. So 0 whole square is equal to AE I will get. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 square is 1. So AE is equal to how much? 1. Then E is equal to how much? 1 by A value 2, 1 by 2. So eccentricity is 1 by 2. A is 2. If I want to find the equation of the ellipse, what I need to get? B value. How I will get B value? How I will get B value? You have the formula now. What is the relation? E is equal to under root of 1 minus A square by, this is horizontal ellipse, right? So A is bigger, B is smaller. B square by A square. B square by A square. You apply this formula. So squaring on both sides you get as E square A square is equal to, if I do squaring on both sides, you know na what happens here? If I do squaring on both sides, E square is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. You remember this formula also, like here A square E square is equal to A square minus B square. This is also you should remember. So according to this, A value you have, E value you have, substitute in this. So you are going to get B value. So you have A value, B value. Then what is the ellipse equation? X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. But here center is, it is standard, for standard ellipse this is. But if you have the center 2 comma 3, then this will be x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square by A square. What is A you got? 2. 2 square is how much? 4. And B square. B square how you will get? After substituting here, this value and this A is and E value, substituting here you will get B. That you will substitute here and that is equal to 1 we write. That is the equation of the ellipse. Right, find out the B value. See here, in this, what you have to do here, you have to find the B value. So A value, what was the A value? 2. 2 square 4. E value? 1 by 2 means 1 by 4. 1 by 2 no? 1 by 4 is equal to A value? 2 square 4. B value we don't know. A cut ho gaya. Right? So B square, if I send this at B square equal to 4 minus 1. So B square equal to 3. B is equal to root 3. Okay, B आया, A आया. तो B square ही हमको फार्मूला क्या है? X minus A whole square बाई ये नहीं है, ये सेंटर है, x माइनस x1 समझो, ये सेंटर है, सेंटर का वैल्यू क्या था 2, x माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर बाई a स्क्वायर हाउ मच, a स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस y minus b already minus 3 is there, minus plus 3 whole square divided by b square, how much here 3 is equal to 1. This is the required, but some student will have doubt, sir how you consider it is a horizontal ellipse? If you have considered vertical ellipse then answer will be reverse. So how you consider means this is the consideration, this is what you have minus 3, here what you have, here what you have. So you can see that center focus and this vertex y coordinate is same. So y coordinate is same is horizontal, if x coordinate is same is vertical. So this is gives the idea, is it this is a vertical or horizontal ellipse. So by seeing this y coordinate I decided this is a horizontal ellipse, so we have find the equation of the ellipse. Understood all? Note down. Let's see the next question, how to solve. The next question is an ellipse, write down the question here, an ellipse whose foci has the foci 3, 3 and minus 4, 4. Is this 4, 4 or 4, 9? 4, 4. And passes through the origin through the origin means it's passing through the origin. Find its eccentricity. Find its eccentricity. Okay, so he is asking to find E. Okay, the question is an ellipse has the foci 3, 3 and minus 4, 4 and passing through the origin, find its eccentricity. So now the question is focus. See, you need to understand this concept. Okay, see, there was given two focus S dash. S is saying 3, 3 and S dash is saying minus 4, 4. Let us consider a ellipse diagram to make you understand this question. There are two focus. One focus is minus 4, 4. Another focus is 3, 3. These are the two focus. There is a point P. Okay, there is a point B. The ellipse is passing through the origin. So origin is here, you suppose is a point is passing through the origin. Then I already informed you this, there is a formula I explained already, that is PS plus PS dash is equal to 2A. PS plus PS dash is equal to how much? 2A. So PS plus PS dash value will be divided by 2 is equal to A. From this I am going to get A. If I get this length, now you know that actually S dash is nothing but AE minus AE comma 0. S is nothing but as AE comma 0. Then the distance between S and S dash, S and S dash distance will be AE 2AE. Distance between S and S dash will be 2AE. So using this concept, we can find the eccentricity. So you know this point is 0, 0, this is minus 4, 0, this is 3, 3. Now what I want to tell you here is, I can find PS distance, I can find PS dash distance divided by 2. See, whatever all questions which I am explaining, all are important. Exactly JEE point of view, Maharashtra CET, MSET, any competitive exams, they cannot ask more than this. So I am explaining everything. You just focus and learn it. And if you have not watched previous videos, I'll take in the playlist. I'll save in the playlist. You can watch it and learn it. Okay. So PS, the distance of PS will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root of 3 minus 0 whole square, 3 square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, that is also 3 square. This is the distance of PS. अरे BS distance यही होगा ना. So under root of 3 square value 9 plus 9. So under root of 18 you get PS value. Okay. Huh? So PS dash will be what? PS dash will be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 4 square, that is 16 plus 16. So under root of how much I get here? 32. So this is 18, this is 32 and divided by 2. A value will be how much here? A value will be I am getting root 18 plus root 32 divided by 2 I get. Correct na? I think this is 9. 9 square is much. If 9 is there, 9 square is 81. 9 square 81 plus 4. Okay, it's okay. This is only 4 comma 4 you consider. So here A value is this. A value is this. Now 2AE value, you want to find which value? E value is asking to find eccentricity na. So you have to find eccentricity. So apply here SS dash. What is SS? Distance between them. Distance formula. So if you apply the distance formula under root of 3 minus of minus plus 4. So 3 plus 4 7. 7 square is 49. Plus 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Correct. That is equal to 2 times of A value I got how much here? Root 18 plus root 32 divided by 2 into E I got. These 2 cancel out. So finally E value I am getting how much? E value I am getting is root 50 divided by root 50 divided by root 18 plus root 32. Yeah. So this is the eccentricity value. No? This is how much? This is 50 and this is multiplying. So it will send this side divides. So eccentricity value is this. According to the options you can see that more you can do simplification. 50 can be written as what here? 50 can be written as 5 root 2. Correct? So this I can write as 5 root 2 divided by 18 can be written as what? 3 root 2. And 32 can be written as what? 4 root 2. So root 2 will be cancelled out finally. So eccentricity value I am getting how much here? Root 2 I can take common. 5 root 2 divided by, I can take root 2 common. Root 2 if I take common, 3 plus 4 7. Root 2 cancel. Eccentricity is 5 by 7. That is the answer. Finally, we derived the answer. Eccentricity is. Such questions are important questions. What I am explaining all are important questions. Okay. So note down all the things. We'll see next questions. Okay.